Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be seeing a new program that I was doing. Like I was trying to automate our expense. I was trying to automate the daily expense of a construction company. So I have done the program in a C code, but I have also shared it with you on the YouTube channel. You can see the previous videos. But once you have done in the C program, you understand that the front-end development in C program is a little difficult. Like with C, the front-end development is not that much easy. So I thought, why not try Python? So now what I'm doing is I'm trying to develop the front-end in Python. So for that I need Qtdesign. So in Qtdesign I will just show you how to make the front-end of any application using Qtdesign and Python. So that's the basic steps I'll teach you. So first you have to download this Qtdesign, which is available free in the internet. So I have downloaded the Qtdesigner. So here what I actually needed was, I needed a welcome window for our company. The company name is Gives. So I created the welcome window, and from that when I go to next, I'll just show you. I'll just show you how I have created. Let's track first 130 site clearance. Okay, this is how I've created. This is my first screen that will be coming. Caves Daily Expense Tracker. This is the name of the company. So it is a daily expense tracker. So this is just the design. So when you click on it, the programming should be done in Python. So I have created this program. I have created this user interface front end, and then when I click on this screen has to pop up. So this also I designed in the Qtdesign itself, in which there are several options, several buttons are given. In site clearance, if you click site clearance, it will go to this one. Okay, so if you go to site clearance and if you close this, again you get work description, and if you press on demolishing, you go to the demolishing. So for each of these I have created a user interface or front end. I have developed in Qtdesign. It is basically very easy. You need not watch any YouTube video for doing this Qtdesign. You have got everything over here. Like if you want to add a button, if you want to add a text, if you want to add a button, everything is here. So suppose you want to add a button, so just press here and you type button, you get a push button. Okay, so you want a text edit, you text edit. In this text editor I have given Caves expense tracker, and in the push button I have given this push button as next. So then for alignment purpose, you just click on this and you have got the alignment. If you want to align like this in horizontally, if you want to align in the form of grid, vertical and horizontal element, you can press on each of these and you can see which alignment you need. Basically there is no need to you to learn Qtdesign. It is basically very easy, anybody can do it. So just try out this Qtdesign. It's very easy. You get the Python code directly. So for getting the Python code for this, for example, I created this window. I'm going to save it as another file, suppose, just to show you how it works. In the desktop file, I'm going to show an example for you. Okay, in this example, I have done this. Now what I need is, I have to convert this UI file. This is the user interface file. I want to convert it into a Python file. So what I do is, I go to the command prompt. And this is a code which you should know. So you should know the directory. So it is right now it is on the desktop. So you go to cd space desktop. So you get into the directory of desktop. And in desktop, what you have got, this example.ui file. You want to convert this example.ui file into example.py file. So this is the code that you have to type. pyuic5. Just write down this code somewhere so it is easy. uic5 minus x example .ui. What do you need? You have to execute this example.ui and the output should be -o. Output should be what? Example.py. you need the Python code for this. You press enter. So in the same directory you get a Python file for this. So I'll just show you this Python file here in Visual Studio. I'll be opening this Python file for you, and you can directly see the code. That is, easily you have written a code by creating a user interface easily in a Qtdesigner. So in Qtdesign you design the user interface or the front end, you directly get the Python code. You save a lot of time writing the code. So this is how you get. So I'll just open this example file for you. Open file. In the desktop we have got this example. Yeah, this is the Python file. See, this is the code that you have created. You have created the class from from pyqt5. You have imported Qt core, Qt GUI and Qt widgets, and you have created a class UI underscore main window, and you have defined, you have given the symmetry, you have given so here this is the push button that I have given, right? That is the next button. So if you want to change the name of this button, what you have to do is, for making the programming in the program, you have to write the backend, right? So when you write the backend, it becomes a little confusing when you do not change the names. So for next button, just click on the next button, and here the name is Q push button. You just need to change the name of this button. So this is the object name. So if you name this button as next, what happens is, in the program, when you convert it into the Python code, here instead of push button, the next will appear, so that the programmer can easily understand what button is used. So you can change the object name, whatever you need to come in the program, whatever name it has to be there in the program. For changing the object name, this is the label. So you can just write Caves expense tracker, expense track text, so that you can understand in the program. So you just change the object name, and then only you convert it to the py file, so that in the py file it comes as, see, here it will come next, here it will come Caves expense track text. So the programming becomes easy for you. So this is how you convert a UI file from Qtdesign into a py file. So this is very simple. You just need to try out. You create a front end for any application and just try converting it into a Python file, and then what you have to do, you have to link these files, and that is also quite easy, and I will show you how to link these files. That is, when you press on the next button, it has to go to the next screen, that is the work description, that is site clearance, whatever it is. It has to go to the next file. That is, I'll just show you. When you click on the next button, it has to go to this screen. So how you can connect these in this Python code from Qtdesign, I'll be teaching you all about that in the next video. So till then, keep trying new programs, keep experimenting with yourself, create new applications, so that you find coding very interesting. Okay, bye.